it took me a minute to figure that out because we haven't made a ton of progress, but we've made some progress. The bumper's still off and things like that, so. Yo. I'm gonna change some brake. Leverage. So the reason we rented this is because this isn't the right, or like a normal spreader won't work on this. You need one that has like these notches. So you can rent it at AutoZone, and the notch just kind of like fits in between there. Find one that works. That one looks like it works, and then yeah, you use the screw and screw it in. So finding the plate, like we are using plate F, then you put this into the 2 holes here, and then that's just kind of like gonna press against that. So you'll hold this and then put it in. I'll show you. But then this screws all the way down, and then you can start twisting this thing. So these require you to turn it, and I can't do it with one hand, but yeah. So as you turn it, it will press the piston in. We've been kind of working on the car a little bit. We've got this a little more organized. That's the microphone. So not a lot of progress, but we're making some progress. There really is nothing like a fire when it's a little chilly out. It's been a while, but I finally am getting my stuff set up to start editing again. Something to also note with these is the screw one. So like you're screwing it in, so you're gonna tighten this, so turning, you know, righty, and that's what's gonna spin the piston shut. I was thinking I was loosening it, but yeah, so tightening it, we'll put that there. And then you also need to line this notch up. Like, it just got super dark. You need to line the notch up. So yeah, you also need to line this notch up with the back of your caliper, or your brake. So you see that little nub there? That has to sit inside that pocket at you know, the right direction. It's raining. Did you miss me? What about inertia? Did you miss inertia?